Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and see money deposited into your account from a business you started with almost no money. No boss, no endless meetings, just pure profit from a simple overlooked business that few people even know exists. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. The most profitable businesses aren't flashy, they're hidden in plain sight. That's why today, I'm revealing 7 home service businesses that can generate serious cash flow. These businesses have low startup cost, minimal competition, and can start making you money fast. And trust me, number 6 is the best one. I guarantee you've never thought of it before. These are real actionable business ideas you can start immediately. So, let's get into it. Number 1. Mobile window screen repair. Ever noticed how many homes have window screens? I guess all of them. And guess what? Those screens get torn, bent, or damaged over time. But here's the kicker. Very few people offer screen repair services. It's a high demand and low competition business. You can charge $30 to $40 per screen. A company in Orange County is making $5 million a year just fixing screens. So now, you can ask me what the startup cost. It's actually almost nothing. A simple repair kit from Home Depot is all you need to start making money today. Also, you can find some free guides online and hire people who already have expertise. And remember, you need to have a well-marketing plan because most of your effort should be focusing on the marketing and rest is the consistency. Number 2. Gutter cleaning. Gutters get clogged and homeowners don't want to clean them. But if they don't, clogged gutters cause serious damage to their home. That's where you come in. You can charge $3 to $4 per foot. Larger homes mean $500 to $600 per job. Surprisingly, no license or expensive equipment needed, just ladder, gloves, and a solid marketing plan. And the best part is, repeat customers. People need this done every year, and even if you don't want to do it yourself, just hire some people with commission-based agreement. I can assure you that you will find lots of people to do this thing for you. Number 3. Dryer vent cleaning. Most homeowners have no idea that a clogged dryer vent is a serious fire hazard. That's why this business is a hidden gold mine. Under $200, you can start this business in no time. For a single vent cleaning service, you can charge $80 to $350 per cleaning. It surely has a huge demand. Every home needs this service. A company called Dryer Vent Wizard makes millions just cleaning vents. Nobody talks about this business, but it's crazy profitable. Number 4. House cleaning. This one's a classic for a reason, which is recurring revenue. Homes don't stay clean, and people pay good money to have someone else do it for them. You don't even have to clean it yourself, just hire contractors. Offer homeowners weekly or monthly services. You can see the result via numbers of revenue. A company called King of Maids makes $2.1 million per year using this simple and remote model business. All you need is a booking sheet, marketing, and a team of cleaners. Number 5. Home organizer. People love the idea of a clean and organized home. They just don't know where to start. That's where you slide in with less than $30 investment. And you can charge $50 to $100 per hour, depending on your skills and creativity. A company like Shelf Genie turned this into a multi-million-dollar business. If you have an eye for organization, this is a hidden goldmine for you. Now it is the moment what we all are waiting for. Number 6. Home office setups. Digital business and work-from-home industries are increasing day by day, so more people want a high-quality home office setup in their houses, but they don't know how to make it happen. They are ready to spend $2,000 to $5,000 per setup. You can offer services like lighting, desk setup, cable management, and soundproofing. As people are more likely to do online business nowadays, this business has growing demand. More people are working from home than ever before. This niche is still untapped, which means massive potential for anyone who jumps in now. Number 7. Mobile dog gym. I know this one is wildly unique and sounds weird, but almost nobody's doing it. In hot places like Arizona, Florida, and Nevada, walking dogs outside can be dangerous. So what if there was a better way to exercise dogs safely? Can you just imagine? A company in Las Vegas charges $75 for a 30-minute treadmill session. Dog owners need this service regularly, so it is a recurring revenue model business. But the startup cost is higher because you'll need a van, treadmills, and other dog stuff. But the market potential is huge. If you're looking for a truly unique business idea, this is it. These 7 home service businesses are proof that you don't need a flashy, trendy idea to make serious money. Most people are completely ignoring these opportunities. If you're looking for a low-cost, high-profit business, pick one and start today. Let me know in the comment section that which one caught your eye. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more real business ideas. And if you need step-by-step guidance, comment below and I will reply with a free ebook link. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.